Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to hide our files and folders on the Windows. I'm using Windows 11. You can do this way on Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 and other Windows versions. So let's jump to the screen and learn this way. Okay guys, right now we are going to learn these things. Okay, as an example, I'm going to drag and drop these two folders, which is Office 2010 and the Tech9 Music. Think these are my personal files. Okay, for example, this is the Microsoft 2010 and this is the music. At first, I'm going to hide this Tech9 Music. I press on the right click on the properties. The shortcut of that is Alt plus Enter. If you are using Windows 10, you'll see this. And go on the properties, press the properties. On the General tab, you will see this option, which is hidden. When you press it on the hidden, then you press on the OK. This folder hides. With this way, you can hide the hidden item. Okay, how to hidden Office 2010? Again, you need to press on the properties. On here, you will see hidden. Okay, but in a different adjustment. You will be pressing on that, then press OK. It will set apply changes to this folder only or the files which is on it says the files on this folder will be hide. But if you press apply changes to this folder only, the folder will be hide. The content, the files, the things that are in the folder, they are not hide and they are not hidden, so everybody can see. I wanted to hide the folders and the subfolders. Okay, so I can change it. I press it and OK. You see these things hide. Okay, how to see the hidden items? Open this PC. If you don't have the shortcut, press logo plus E on the keyboard. So this tab will be open, and on here I'm using Windows 11. In Windows 11, you need to click on the view, then go to the show and press the hidden items. Okay, with this way you can see the hidden items. I'm going to press the hidden item. You can see Office 2010 and the Tech9. How to unhide them? Again, go to the properties, disable the hidden, then press OK. Again, it will ask you the question which I tell more about it to you. I press on the OK, then I go to the properties and disable the hidden item. So with this way you can hide and unhide. If you are using Windows 10 and you have the different things and options, Windows 10 file explorer. I'm going to tell it to you with the images. These are not have a good quality. There we are, man. Okay. Okay, what is going on? Let me open it. I want to just see the picture. Okay. On the ribbon, you need to click on the view. On the view part, you will see hidden items in here. Okay, when you press it on that, you will see the hidden items that you hide there. with this way. Just this, with this way you can hidden your files and items on the Windows. I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button, and if you wanna to see more type of these contents, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will answer it just for you. This is all about this trick. I hope you will learn it and hide your personal folders. So the video ends.